torch! Check out that big sun! Today's the perfect beach day. I'm gonna show you my secret swimming technique. Aw, come on. Well, I guess we'll have to go swimming later. Duty calls. Hey, Bob. How's the construction site going today?
Hi, Johnny. Well, actually, Bulldozer's really tired. We need your help if we want to finish our work today.
Bulldozer is always working too hard. Don't worry, Bob. Coming right away. Go, go, go! All right. Maybe I should change first.
Hi, guys. Thank you for coming.
Hi, Bill. What's wrong, buddy?
Well, we've been working all morning, and with this heat, this big guy is already out of energy.
Don't worry, champ. You just need a little boost. Make some space, everyone! This AnimaCar ain't a small one.
Hello, Wheelefant.
We need you to recharge Bulldozer's energy. Can you help us? Wheelefant has solar panel ears. They gather energy from the sunlight and turn it into electricity. Isn't that cool? Thanks to this electricity, we'll be able to get Bill back on his wheels very soon.
Okay, Bill. Let's charge you up one more time and we'll be able to finish.
What's wrong, Wheel? Oh no! Clouds have covered up the sun! Wheelefant's ears can't work!
If only there was a way to bring the sun out.
I know something we can try. I'm gonna need your help again, my friend. Can you put on your shovel, please? All right. You know what I'm thinking about, right? 3, 2, 1, go! Woohoo!
Hey, Johnny, can you hear me? What's your plan, buddy?
Come out, son. Come out. Come out, son. Come out. Aw, I really thought my sun dance would work.
Johnny, maybe we should try something else. How about a real plan?
Right. Let's call an anima friend. Thank you for coming. See these clouds? We need to chase them away so the sun can shine again. Up and away!
Woohoo!
Flying is so cool. Okay, here's my plan. Get closer to the clouds and blow them away with your propellers. Yeah, we did it!
Thank you, Johnny. We couldn't have done it without you. Right, guys?
What's wrong, Torch? Oh, right. Sorry, guys. We've got to go. Come join us when you're done. The sun is back, and so are we. Yeah! Good boy, Torch. Phew, what a warm day. Whoop. Sorry, doggo. Looks like duty's calling. Oh, hey, Leah. How have you been?
Hi, Johnny. Not so good, actually. I need your help at the farm. Do you mind passing by?
Sure, don't worry. We're on our way.
Thank you for coming, guys. As you know, vegetables need lots of water to grow. And as I was watering my lovely carrots, the water ran out.
No water? I guess something's wrong with your water tank, Leah.
Do you think something could be stuck inside?
Well, let's check it out. Do you have a ladder I could use to climb up there?
Didn't I lend it to you last week?
Oh, yes. Of course. Sorry, Leah.
It's okay, Johnny.
I have another idea.
Be careful, Johnny.
Don't worry, guys. I've got... Whoa! Whoa!
Are you okay, Johnny?
Yeah, looks like we're going to need some help for this one.
Woohoo! Are you gonna call one of your four-wheeled friends?
Yeah, this is a mission for the tallest of all AnimaCars.
There. Do you mind helping us reach the top of the tank?
Up and away! Ha! Leah, your tank is empty.
Oh no. If I wait for rainwater to come, my carrots could die. How could we fill it up, Johnny?
Don't worry, Leah. I know exactly who to call. my special turtle friend, Truckle.
Truckle?
All right, Truckle, aim for the hole. Let's fill up that tank. It's okay, Truckle. Let's try again. Maybe use our propellers this time.
Whoa!
Yeah, awesome!
Yes, thank you, everyone. My carrots are going to be so happy.
You're welcome, Leah. We're always glad to help. Here you go, guys. Another win for the AnimaCars. I can't wait! It's playtime! Ha ha! Hey!
What happened here?
Whoa! Ow! Good boy!
Johnny, Torch! There's something wrong at the swamp. Get a move on, Team Toolbox.
Torch, quick, let's go!
We have an emergency at the swamp. Krusty followed the signpost to the bay, but ended up in the swamp. He raced into the mud and got stuck. Then a mud bubble lifted him high into the air. You need to get him down before he falls or flies away.
Smells like adventure around here. Hey, my friend. Don't be scared. It's okay. Shh. Huh? Wow. Oh no, it's stuck. How could I reach it? Everything is gonna be all right. Let's rescue this AnimaCar. Whoa! Stay focused. Huh? Ha ha! Hang in there!
I've got a bad feeling about this. Oh no. Whoa! Whoa! We might have rushed in too quickly, buddy. Don't worry, big guy. We'll get you out of here.
It looks like you're going to need some help here, Team Toolbox. Why not call upon Meekle?
Hey!
He's good with heights.
Anima Watch activated. AnimaCars, go! Yeah, more help on our team. Go, Team Toolbox! Ha ha! Be gentle, my friend. Whoa! Slow it down! No, no, no! Brace yourself! Woohoo! Yee-hee! Oh, hey, hey, hey! Good job! Are you okay? That was not an easy one.
Well done, Team Toolbox. You saved the day. Again.
Fixing together, friends forever. Go, go, go! Yeah! Woo! Wow!
Johnny, Torch, AnimaCar in need. Time to go.
Come on, George. We've got work to do. We've got some work to do.
Hi, Team Toolbox. Wheelephant is in a panic. He's at the giant beam destroying flowers. It doesn't seem he's finding the right one. I think he's looking for the most beautiful flower for his beloved. Team Toolbox, you need to help. He looks like he's in a hurry for Valentine's.
Anima Watch, check. Anima Tool, check. Ready for some action, Torch? Help's on the way! Let's hurry up! Yeah! Let's go! Team Toolbox incoming! Uh-oh. No way! What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Are you thinking what I'm thinking, Torch? Hey! Good boy. This should work. Ha! Come on. We will make this work. Aww. Isn't that wonderful? Hey! Come on, we will make this work! Phew!
Hi, Johnny. I think we should call someone to help you. Could we make something out of these logs over there?
Time to use AnimaWatch! AnimaWatch activated. AnimaCars, go! Friend, we need your help. Can you help me with something? Let's hurry! Come on, George, we've got work to do. That's going to be awesome! There it is! Go, go, go! Great! What are we gonna do?
Once again, you did great, Team Toolbox.
It's playtime! is the best work. It's playtime! Hey! Go, go, go! Yeah! Aw, I was sure that would do. Huh? No way! Go fetch! Torch! Careful! Torch, silly dog!
Hi, Team Toolbox. Ready for a new adventure?
Huh?
Let's go.
Ready for some action, Torch? We've got some work to do.
Hello, Team Toolbox. There is an emergency at the scary cave. Krusty was exploring when he found a golden screw on a floating rock. You know that our friend can be a little bit greedy, so he fell straight into a trap. When he took the screw, the scary cave grew angry and slammed its door shut. Now Krusty is stuck on the floating rock in the middle of the lava, and no one can get inside to rescue him. Krusty needs your help, fast!
Anima watch, check. Anima tool, check. Ready for some action, Torch? Help's on the way. Let's hurry up. Yeah, let's go! Smells like adventure around here. Whoa! What is this place? Oh no, it's stuck. Good boy. Wow, what a brain teaser. Ha! This should work. That was not an easy one. Let's discover new places. Don't worry, big guy. We'll get you out of here. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, Torch? Oh, buddy. Looks like we'll need a hand, right?
I know the perfect AnimaCar for this. Johnny, do you have the same idea?
Anima watch activated. AnimaCars, go! friend. Thanks for responding to AnimaCar. Let's rescue this AnimaCar. I have an idea. You can do it! Use your strength! Unstoppable! This should work. Phew! Good job! Hey! That's amazing! Yes, it's safe. Team Toolbox never fails. Yeehaw! Driving is so fun! Race yourself! Aichiwola! Go, go, go! Oopsie doopsie! Team Toolbox, mission accomplished! Yeehaw! Awesome! Johnny and George, fixing together, friends forever!